What's going on, YouTube? Surreal Martin back with another video. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, turn on push notifications so you're notified every time I upload some new content. And I am doing a giveaway, so you want to make sure that you have your notifications turned on. And please leave a comment in the comment section. So what you're seeing here is essentially what I spoke about in my previous video. I kind of touched on it a little bit, but let's go over it here together. Anyone who starts down the road to becoming a trader eventually comes across the statistic that 90% of traders fail to make money when trading the stock market. This statistic deems that over time, 80% lose, 10% break even, and 10% make money consistently. Okay, and this is what the gurus and all these traders on YouTube are not telling you. Okay, 90% of traders fail. Now, I will say that I'm pretty sure that in this percentage, or in this 90 percentile, that there's people that tried it and quit, or people that didn't really want to take the time out to really learn it and understand it, and they just ended up quitting. So I'm pretty sure they're bundled into this. But essentially, regardless, this percentile is pretty high. Okay, trading is not easy. It's never been easy, and it will never be easy. Okay, it's one of these things that really takes time, really takes hard work, really takes persistence. You have to be relentless, and more importantly, like, you have to be extremely disciplined when it comes to trading. Okay, especially if you're a newbie, if you've never traded before, discipline is everything, right? What's your strategy? How's your risk management? What's your risk tolerance? Right? Are you using crazy amount of leverage? Right? These are the things that factor into actually becoming a consistently profitable trader. For me, it was extremely hard, like I said, because I came into this with no education. I didn't buy any trading courses. I tried a demo account for 2 to 3 days, and I flipped it, and I immediately went live. Right? And I don't recommend anybody do that, because for 3.5 to 4 years, I got my fucking ass handed to me. I'm talking big ass whooping. Okay, I got my ass kicked because I came into this winging it, right? All I saw was the big profits on YouTube and the gurus and $10,000 days and crazy gains. And I was like, oh shit, I can do this. And I tried it. I flipped that demo account, which was with TD Ameritrade. It was a paper trading account. Flipped it in 2 to 3 days and called the broker, and I was like, hey, if this was real money, would the profits have been the same? As it was like, yeah. And then I immediately went live, which was probably the worst thing I could have done, because for, like I said, 3.5 years, it was just crazy trial and error. I lost a shit ton of money. And that's because of all the hype on YouTube, man. Like, you see all these gurus, you see all these traders, and essentially they're just fucking gains after gains, gains after gains, thousands and thousands of dollars. And for anybody that's in a situation where they need money or they want freedom and they want to become successful, which is majority of people, they see that and they just jump head first, and without any discipline, without any strategy, without any education. And essentially, they just end up blowing up accounts. Okay, take it from me. I blew up numerous accounts, right? But I didn't quit, right? I was consistent, and over time, from just trial and error and blowing up accounts and adjusting my strategy and actually learning different strategies and learning patterns and, just that over time is what made me better. Now, you can avoid all of that by just paying attention from the beginning, being disciplined from the beginning, and it's going to be hard. I'm going to be honest. It's extremely hard, because you're dealing with, emotions and however you've been programmed, throughout the years of you growing up. You're kind of dealing with all that stuff when it comes to trading. You're dealing with greed. You're dealing with fear. You're dealing with FOMO, which is, fear of missing out. So it's a little hard when you're just starting out. So I'll give you that. It is going to be a little tough, but you have to make it a priority to work on your discipline. You have to make sure that You're sticking to your risk management, your risk tolerance. You're sticking to your strategy. You're not moving stops. You're not readjusting stuff. Like once you have your trade plan, you have to stick to it. Now, in some cases, yeah, you can adjust, right? Because you want to make sure that you're adjusting with the market and you're taking what the market makes available to you. But you have to stick to your trading plan, and you have to be extremely, extremely, extremely disciplined, man, or else it's just not going to work out. Okay, you're going to take more losses than necessary. You're going to start to put yourself in situations that you don't have to be in because you're not being disciplined. Win, lose, or draw. This is not like an ego game, and I had to learn that throughout the years. It's not about your ego. It's not about always being right. It's about preservation of capital. Okay, you want to keep as much capital in your account as possible. Okay, because you're not going to win them all. You're not going to lose them all. There are going to be times where I'm sorry, I was just looking at US 30 here. Let's check this out really quick. Yeah, it's crazy gap up. But yeah, there are gonna be times where you are gonna like kind of steer away from your trading plan, but it has to be warranted, man. Like it can't be a situation where you just where it's emotionally tied. Like it has to be literally like you have to be like a robot. Okay, you have to stick to your plan, be very, very disciplined. If you set your entry point and then you set your stop loss and your take profit, you have to let the trade play out. Okay, now what I tend to do sometimes, and I'll kind of go more in depth throughout the videos, is that if I am in a trade, this is I guess quote unquote my strategy, when I am in a trade, if the trade goes in the direction that I was expecting it to go in, or I wanted it to go in, I would set my stop loss in profit. But after that, I'm not touching it again. Okay, I'm not going back. I'm not fiddling with the stop loss or in any of this stuff. I'm letting the trade play out and I'm sticking to my trade. Right now, I'm more of a scalper than a swing trader. So you'll see throughout these videos of my live trades that I'm like a sniper. I'm just scalping and scalping, especially with small accounts. Right? You want to, at least for me, in my opinion, that's what works for me. That's my strategy. I mean, you don't have to follow it, but for me, that's what works out. I'm constantly scalping, but I'm disciplined in sticking to what works for me. Okay, all these gurus and all these people on YouTube, or you just say, "Oh, my strategy, the best strategy." Listen, man, you have to do what works for you. Okay, and if you do find a strategy that works, you want to stick to that strategy, and you want to master that strategy. Okay, and then you move on, and then you start adding different strategies or whatever, different tools to your tool bag or whatever when it comes to trading. So, but the main focus is discipline. You have to be disciplined. Okay, if you're not disciplined, if you're not sticking to your trading plan, or if you're not constantly trying to learn, if you're not constantly trying out different strategies and trying to figure out exactly what works best, adjusting strategies, back testing, if you're not doing any of that stuff, it's just not going to work out, man. You know what I mean? And then you're going to fall into that 90 percentile. Okay, so be extremely disciplined. The reason I'm uploading these videos before I upload the funding video and actually start the challenge is because I want you guys to understand that that this is very, very important. I don't want to just start a challenge and then you just, especially if you're a beginner, and then you get overly excited and you're trying to, like, go back and watch all the videos and understand that if you want to get into this zero-sum game, because this is what this is, trading is a zero-sum game. Okay, it's very, very hard. It's not easy. And the hardest part, like I said, is the discipline, the psychology that comes with trading. Once you get your psychology, your discipline, and your patience down, then you will be consistently profitable. Now, you will have losses because that's just the game that we're in. We're trading. So you're going to have losses, but your wins are going to outweigh your losses. Okay? And if you're disciplined, then your losses are going to be very, very small compared to your wins. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure you turn on push notifications, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I am doing a giveaway in the next coming weeks. You don't want to miss that. So subscribe, like, turn on push notifications, leave a comment. See you guys in the next video.